Why do you need a QDRO to divide retirement funds? Imagine you and your spouse are going through a divorce, and you realize that a big part of your shared assets is tied up in retirement accounts. You might be wondering how to split these funds fairly and legally. Well, that's where a special court order called a Qualified Domestic Relations Order, or QDRO, comes into play. It's not just a piece of paper. It's a legal document that makes sure the retirement benefits are divided properly and without any trouble. Federal laws like the Employee Retirement Income Security Act, or ERISA, govern retirement plans, such as 401ks and pensions. These laws requiring a QDRO to officially recognize the right of a former spouse to receive part of the retirement benefits. Without this order, the plan administrator doesn't have the legal authority to pay benefits directly to the ex-spouse. So, even if a divorce decree says the funds should be split, the plan might ignore it. That can leave the former spouse without access to their share or facing penalties if they try to withdraw early. A QDRO is also important because it protects both parties. It ensures the division follows the court's instructions and the rules of the retirement plan. It specifies who gets what and how much, whether it's a fixed dollar amount or a percentage of the total benefits. This clarity helps avoid disputes and make sure the division is fair. Getting a QDRO isn't just a quick process. It involves drafting a detailed legal document that meets federal and plan-specific rules. You then submit it to the court for approval and to the plan administrator for acceptance. This process can take several months and often needs legal help to make sure everything is correct. In family financial matters, retirement accounts often make up a large part of the marital assets. Properly dividing them with a QDRO ensures both parties get their fair share. It also helps avoid unnecessary taxes and penalties that could happen if the division isn't done right. So, in short, a QDRO is essential to make sure retirement funds are split legally, fairly, and smoothly during a divorce.